ChatGPT-4o is insane. You can do almost every single thing out there using AI now. Like ChatGPT can sing for you, change the voices according to your needs and requirements, can tell you the bedtime stories to your kids and you or your family, and you can also video call GPT-4o in future, not right now, and GPT-4o can also do chart analysis for you. And not just that, GPT-4o is capable of checking out whatever is going on your screen. So if you are doing some codes, then ChatGPT would be able to check it out and help you out with the codes or anything else. Like if you are checking out some complex charts, then you can just simply open it up on your screen and ChatGPT will help you figure out what is going on that particular chart and help you analyze and give you the key points from that particular chart. So this is going to be quite helpful, and if you want to use it, there is some limited access currently for the free version of it, but if you want to change to GPT-4 for a longer period of time and without much limitations, then you need to upgrade your plan on ChatGPT Plus. If you simply upgrade it, you would be able to get 4 times more messages for ChatGPT-4o, but in the free version it has limited access currently. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.